Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, transferring Solana from your Ledger Nano X to Revolut can seem tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. This process is secure and straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Plug it into your computer or connect via Bluetooth, and open the Ledger Live app. You'll need to have the Solana app installed on your device. If it's not there, go to the app catalog in Ledger Live and install it. Once that's done, unlock your Ledger with your PIN and open the Solana app on the device. Next, head over to a compatible wallet interface like the Solana Wallet extension or Phantom, which works seamlessly with Ledger. Log in to your wallet and connect your Ledger Nano X. This might involve approving the connection on your device. It's an extra security layer, so go ahead and confirm. Now, for the transfer. In your wallet, select your Solana balance and choose the Send or Transfer option. You'll need to enter the Revolut wallet address. Open your Revolut app, go to your crypto section, and copy the Solana wallet address provided. Paste that into the To field in your wallet interface. Don't forget to specify the amount of Solana you want to send and check any transaction fees. Solana's network fees are usually low, but they can vary. Before you hit send, verify everything twice. Make sure the address is correct to avoid losing your funds. It's a common mistake. Once you're confident, approve the transaction on your Ledger Nano X. You'll see a confirmation screen. Review the details and confirm with your device buttons. After that, sit tight. The transaction should process quickly on the Solana blockchain, but it might take a few minutes to show up in your Revolut account. Once it's confirmed, check both your Ledger and Revolut to ensure the transfer went through smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Solana from your Ledger Nano X to Revolut in 2025. Remember, crypto involves risks, so always use hardware wallets for security and never share your seed phrase. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I've got you covered.